Alright guys, so those farming grass, once you log into your dashboard like this is gonna be your interface. Okay, there should be a connect button here that you should click on. Okay, or just use the link I sent and then paste it in your Kiwi browser or your Mrs. browser. Okay, then this is the grass extension. Then you click on add to Chrome at the top right corner here. Okay, so you're gonna be adding it as an extension to your browser. Okay, so once it's like this, you will see remove from Chrome. So just close that page. Okay, then open a new tab. Here you're gonna see the grass extension here. For Kiwi browser, just open your menu here. You're gonna see it on this list when you scroll down. Okay, so just click on the grass extension, then log in with your grass login email and password. Okay, so when you log in, this is going to be the extension page. Okay, now business is with this page only. Okay, so you should have to keep this extension up and running on your screen like this for you to earn grass points. Okay, or on the background when you're using other tabs. Okay, when you're using other tabs, it's also running too. But once you close the app, you will no longer earn from it. Okay, you no longer earn from it. But if it's on minimized like this, you can actually earn from it too, but it's best to keep it running like this till whenever you're tired of earning. So that's just it. It's going to show you your network strength, but network is bad here, so we'll show your network strength here. So for me, I normally do mine at night. I'll just use an auto clicker to keep my screen on and then leave it overnight.